Hello, this is James Hopp with Shopsmith Repair Woodworking Academy. I'd like to introduce you to my grandson Jonathan Pierce. He built my website and produces these videos for us. He's one of my two grandsons who work with me around the shop. So we are truly a family business.
And as a family business, we hope that you've enjoyed Season 2 so far. As always, our goal is to provide you with the resources that you'll need to ensure that you always have a well-running Shopsmith headstock.
Today, we'd like to talk about the do's and don'ts when it comes to packaging and shipping your headstock to us for repair.
Over the years, we've seen headstocks arrive that were packaged correctly, and unfortunately, also we've seen headstocks arrive damaged due to improper packaging.
These machines weigh around 50 pounds, close to 60 when boxed. When they're handled by shipping companies, they can really take a beating on the road.
Oh yeah. Following these instructions will ensure your headstock arrives intact and without damage, avoiding further repair costs.
There are 5 steps in properly packaging your headstock: preparation, wrapping, packaging, documentation, and boxing.
Let's get started. Step 1. Preparation. Start by purchasing a Lowe's Home Improvement 18 by 18 by 16 medium heavy duty cardboard box. You can find it through a link on our website's shipping page. Next, use plastic wrap or stretch wrap to cover the weigh tube holes of your headstock to prevent packing peanuts or any other debris from entering your machine. Alternatively, if you don't have any plastic wrap, you can bag your machine up in an ordinary kitchen trash bag, tying it securely so debris can't enter. Remove the quill advance handle from your headstock and attach it to the side of your machine with strong tape. We've found that failure to do so will cause your handle to get bent in shipping. Step 2. Wrapping. For this step, we suggest Duck brand large bubble wrap roll, and this is 12 inches wide by 15 foot long. You'll find the link for this on our website's shipping page. If Amazon isn't an option, which is the case sometimes since we serve the entire United States, then just travel to your local packaging store, UPS store, FedEx store, or even your U-Haul store. And also, you can go to any home improvement store like Lowe's Home Improvement or Home Depot, and just ask them for heavy-duty bubble wrap. You'll need at least 15 feet in length and at least 1 foot in width. Wrap horizontally around the quill with your heavy-duty bubble wrap. Make sure to cover the drive hubs and handles generously, about 2 to 3 layers worth, and then tape it so it stays tight. Step 3. Packaging. Now that your machine is wrapped, you'll need heavy-duty styrofoam peanuts. Do not use the biodegradable option because they crush very easily. We suggest Starbox's Packing Peanuts Pink Anti-Static 3 cubic foot bag. You can find that on a link on our website shipping page. If Amazon isn't an option, then just travel to your local packaging store and just ask them for heavy-duty styrofoam peanuts. You'll need 3 cubic feet at least. Next, prepare your heavy-duty box with at least 6 inches of heavy-duty styrofoam peanuts in the bottom. Set the bubble wrap covered headstock down into the box with the back side down. Also be sure the quill is facing the side of the box. Now fill the rest of the box to the top with peanuts. Step 4. Documentation. Place your headstock repair information sheet in the box with all the required information, which includes name, address, phone, email, serial number, and a short description of the issues you're experiencing. You'll find a link to this document on our shipping page. Now tape up your box with the packaging tape, ensuring you get the seams on the edges of your box. Finally, affix the shipping label to the box and you're all set. Over the years, we've updated our shipping and packaging procedures several times to make sure that your headstock arrives safely, both here to the shop and then back to you once repaired.
If you follow these steps in this video, you can rest assured that your headstock is packaged properly and will arrive safely.
If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe to our channel.
I'm James with Shopsmith Repair Woodworking Academy.
And I'm Jonathan.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time.
Okay.